Today's video is an unboxing of FabFitFun's Winter 2018 box. I have been so impressed with every single box I have gotten from FabFitFun. So this is my third one, and I have a yearly subscription that I pay $180 for. So I've gotten a summer box, a fall box, a winter, and then I will also get a spring box, and I will definitely be renewing. I have been so impressed. Each box that I've gotten has been over $300 in value, which is incredible. Something else that I also love, they have something called add-ons where you can choose to have specific items added to your box, and you do pay for them, but they are at a very, very deep discount. So after my unboxing, I will go in and show you guys my add-ons. I can't show you every item because a lot of them were stocking stuffers, but I will at least give you like the price that I paid versus what they would be in retail, because it's always incredible. If you are new here and this is your first time watching me and you enjoy this video, please go ahead and subscribe. I upload every Tuesday, Thursdays, and Saturdays. It's nice to meet you. If you haven't gotten one of these boxes before or you haven't watched one of these videos, I will go ahead and tell you, you do get to make some choices. You get an email a certain number of days before where you get to go in and choose. So you choose between like A, B, and C, or sometimes it's just like a color choice or a pattern choice. And then there's other items in here that are a complete surprise. So I always try to avoid spoilers. I don't want to know what is in my box. This is just like a little gift to myself. So for the front of the box, this is what we have. It looks like you got the girls there hanging around the fireplace, looking at the stars, you know, as you do. Let's dig into this. I had this just sitting on my lap, so hopefully it's not too awkward. Each one comes with a magazine. In here, it will tell you a little bit more about each item. I'm not going to peek. And it will tell you the value and how to use things and that sort of thing. So I will look at this later on. And then you also usually get some coupons. So this is to HelloFresh. This one is a $60 gift card. I have thought about doing some kind of meal subscription service before, and I haven't taken the plunge, so I'll check that out. There is also one to... This is for a $10 gift card to give to a friend or something like that. I'm gonna switch to in front of me because this is just a little bit awkward, but I got a blanket. This is Mark and Graham. It says personalized gifts. Anything else about it? No, nothing else about it. It looks like it's a light gray sort of color. I'm gonna open it so we can look at the size. Seems very cushiony and comfy. It almost looks like a big scarf or a big pashmina. I'm covering my face here. That's a pretty good sized blanket, and it's definitely very soft. Looking forward to that. We can't get enough of blankets in our house. Both my husband and I and the dog always have our own blanket whenever we're hanging out. Even in the summertime, there's just something about being all like wrapped up and cozy. So this will definitely be getting a lot of use. All right, this is something I think I got to choose. This is Merci or Merci. It's kind of separated. Let's see what it says on the back. Merci. For Anthropology Beauty, it's coconut sugar sea whip body cream. Packaging is really cute. It looks like very mermaidish colors. Also kind of matches my eye makeup. I meant to say that my eye makeup is brought to you by Lisa Frank today. That's just kind of the feels that I was going for, and I wanted like a bright pop of color. Let's smell this. Oh, it's got a... Let's take this off. You can never have enough lotion in the winter. I have like 6 of them open right now. I just like to have options. I am definitely an options girl. See how thick this is. Oh, that is thick. That is some thick cream. It's very light. It smells like what it says it's going to, like that sugary coconut kind of scent. I definitely smell more of the coconut. It smells really nice though. It's very light, and it seems like it is the kind of scent that would dissipate. So if you're not into fragrance, I think you would enjoy that. I'm sorry, I keep shaking my camera with this box, so please ignore that. What is this? Thrive Cosmetics, C-A-U-S-E. C-A-U-S-E. Yeah, I spelled it right. Cosmetics. This is a highlighting stick, Brilliant Eye Brightener. Is this like an eyeliner? Shine bright with long-lasting champagne shimmer powered by ring light technology to diffuse light and define features. Instantly highlights, brightens, and opens your eyes. Apply to brow bone, lids, waterline, and corner of your eyes. That's really cool. So that's pretty big. It looks like it's going to be a big crown. Yep. I just put that lotion on. Let's try to swatch with my left hand. That should be interesting. That's pretty neat though. I would definitely be getting some use out of that. I just like this packaging, this bright aqua shade. You won't lose it in your collection. This is one I didn't know about. This is the Ahava Hydrating Cream Mask. I always like to do face masks. Says, infuse and nourish thirsty skin with this active hydrating mask. A rich creamy texture softens and smooths skin. You apply it for 3 to 5 minutes or you leave all night. So maybe it's like kind of like a sleeping mask too. Yeah, it's like a rich creamy texture. Show you guys. It smells really light. Definitely put that to test, especially winter skin. I can't use enough hydrating stuff. Ooh. These are my favorite. How did you know, FabFitFun? This is the black eye mask with hyaluronic acid. I got these from an add-on from FabFitFun, and I think that was my fall box, and I am obsessed, and I'm about to run out. In here, you get 5 different black eye masks. They're little jelly kind of molds that you put on underneath your eyes. Jelly molds? I don't know what I'm thinking. They're little strips that you put on underneath your eyes, but they feel like Jello. They're very like squiggly, but you put them on underneath your eyes. I leave them on for like 20 minutes and you take them off and your skin's really hydrated. So I absolutely love these, and they actually stay on your eyes. So that's awesome. I was like, oh, I'm gonna have to order more from that site. So yay. Oh, I see something from Bite Beauty. This is an Amuse Bouge lipstick. What shade is this? Meringue. I really like Bite Beauty lipsticks. I've only tried maybe 1 or 2 of them, but they've always been in mini sizes. This shade looks like it's gonna be a nude. It's like a peachy nude. That's really pretty. I'll definitely get some use out of that. I would put it on, but I already have a liquid lipstick on today, but that's really pretty. I will definitely wear this shade. That's awesome. This is something I chose. This is a jade roller. I've been wanting to get into them. Honestly, every time I buy something that's like this though, it's always just like a nice thought. I'll use it for a week or 2 and then I'll stop using it. Same with dry brushing. That's something else I always tell myself I want to get into and I just don't stick with. But I figured if I could get something and choose something, it was going to be this. I can't remember what the other options were, but this stuck out to me. It's actually really heavy, which is cool. So you have that larger roller and then the smaller one. I have makeup on, but we'll try this later on. But I'm excited about this one. It seems like it's going to be nice and cooling too, especially like when my eyes look puffy in the morning. So that's nice. And it just looks pretty on the counter. Also another choice, this is the Orbe Gold Lush Dry Shampoo. I've tried a small one of these from Birchbox. Orbe products smell so good. They're kind of like apple-y, but with something else, like a really, really expensive apple. That's what they smell like. I will definitely be getting use out of this. This is probably, I'm going to add up everything else like I said, but this is probably like $45 on its own. Orbe is really expensive. So I love having this and I'm really looking forward to being able to test it out for a longer time because I do think I actually really enjoyed that sample. Is this it? This is the last one. So this is from BarePinerals. Again, I chose this. I think you could get like a jewelry organizer or this. I don't remember, but it's cold, it's wintertime, and you can't really have enough gloves. These are cute because they're like fingerless mittens. Let's put them on the right way, on the right hand. So they're fingerless, but then they have that little mitten top. And they're very soft. I will definitely be getting use out of these. This I don't know so much. This is just really not my style, but you know what, when it's cold, style does not matter as much. I'm not going to put this on now, but it's just like a little ear warmer, I guess, headband, ear warmer, but I will definitely be getting use out of at least these gloves and these if I'm really desperate and not worrying so much about my hair. See, it's such a good value. I am so excited with that box, and there are so many things that I am excited to play with and to get to use. Let's go ahead and look at the add-ons. I added up and did the math a little bit differently than I thought I did. So I will just say I got 3 gifts. I didn't include them in my math. So I got 3 gifts. Those I paid $23 for, and I'm not going to show them or talk about them anymore. The other items I got, I paid $46 for. Retail value of these items totaled up would be $157. So I saved $111, which is incredible. And most of these items were either things I was A, interested in, or B, have used and love them. So let's get into it. I do just want to say they threw in randomly, this is a V8 drink. I think you could choose between this and pasta sauce for free and you could just throw it in. So I chose the V8. It's orange grapefruit though, so I won't drink it. I'm going to have to give it to my husband because I don't like grapefruit. That's gross. Okay, so the first thing is gonna age me a little bit, I guess. I am 30, you know. if you are a younger subscriber of mine, you might think this is funny. This is compression socks, and basically they are preventative with like varicose veins and that sort of thing. I do work retail, and I probably should have been wearing compression socks my whole retail career, and I haven't. So I feel like it's the time to start using some of these, and they are so expensive, especially if you get like a prescription for them. They are so expensive, and I've looked up other ones and they're like always like $40, $60. So I paid $11 for these, and they're just in black. I figured I'd try them out and see how they work. So that's fun. I got this from R&Co. This is the Spiritualized Dry Shampoo Mist. I'm kind of skeptical about it. I wanted to try this. I think I saw it on Birchbox, and I was thinking about trying it. It is, I think, like $26. Let's see. It's $28 normally, and I paid $9 for it. So I much prefer paying $9 to try out a product that I'm not sure about. It looks like it's going to be completely liquid, and you spray it in, apply 1 to 2 pumps from 6 to 8 inches from roots. Let sit for 30 to 45 seconds, and massage in just like any other dry shampoo, but it is liquidy. So I will report back on how this works. Let's see how it smells. It smells like alcohol. That's probably what does all that drying trick. Okay, next I got these from Tarte. They're really pretty. These are lashes, and they are called Little Black Dress. They're also cruelty-free. If you have a hard time finding cruelty-free lashes, Tarte does make them. This is normally, I think they're 12, and I paid $5 for these. Again, this is something I've been wanting to check out. I have heard mixed reviews about the band size and how easy they are to put on, so I'm glad I was able to pick these up, and I will probably be wearing them in a future video. If you watched a fair amount of my videos, you have probably seen me talk about this. This is the Touch in Sol No Problem Primer. It is one of my staples. I love this primer. I use it all the time. It is regularly $18, and I paid $9 for this one. So of course, when I saw it on there, I had to pick it up because I love it so much, and I could get 50% off. 2 more items, and they are both like body skincare kind of thing. This is from Perez. This is the Mulberry Vanilla Body Butter. This retails for $31, and I got it for $9, which is kind of insane. I've tried maybe one other body butter from them. I think it was the Jasmine one, and I did really like the consistency. So Mulberry Vanilla sounded really nice for the winter time. Does this have a stopper? Yes, it does. A little bit on the hand. It's probably going to mix with that other lotion, but that's okay. It's a little bit thicker than the other one. I haven't used it in a long time. Like I said, I've had one, but it's been like probably 4 or 5 years. It smells really nice. It does remind me of winter. It has like a fruitiness to it, but it's like a little bit deeper with that vanilla. It's really nice. The next item is from Skin Owl. If you didn't know, I love owls. I have a little tattoo here. I can never remember which side. I also have one down here. But this is the Skin Owl Neck Plus Super Smoothing and Contouring Neck Concentrate. Or neck cream. I guess it's just the neck cream. This is $68, and I got it for $14, and I feel like I just need something for this area, specifically for this area. I always do take my moisturizers and my serum down, but I wanted something specifically that I would use and stick to for the neck. It's just that time. I feel like as women, we always start to show age right in here on our décolleté, on our neck, and then of course on our hands. So it's important to use skincare products there too. And I just thought the packaging was cute, and the price, I couldn't beat it. And that is it for my FabFitFun Winter 2018 unboxing plus add-ons. I added on a lot. I just couldn't really beat the price. I couldn't say no. There was so much good stuff. So I'm really excited to try out some of these products. Look forward to seeing them in future videos. I thank you guys for watching. I appreciate you, and I will see you soon.